Hi, this is Brian Wallace from CLA, your laundry association, and we're about to head into a brand new year, 2025, and you can imagine we've got an awful lot planned for you coming from CLA in the new year. So let's take a few minutes to take a quick preview of what's coming down the line for the following year. Membership is going to be a huge focus for us next year. We certainly always focused on membership and taking good care of you, but really trying to expand the membership base. We know that we can get more done working together with more people. A lot of our advocacy is based around strength in numbers when it comes to lobbying on behalf of the industry. And so we're going to set out an ambitious plan over the next 2 years to reach that next 1,000 members. It's kind of be the campaign to how do we find that next 1,000 laundry professionals that we want to add to the mix here and really grow the base of the organization. And to do that, we not only will obviously be campaigning to try to bring your peers into the fold, but also adding more resources, adding more benefits, creating a monthly dues tier program. A lot of things that you've been asking for, we've introduced over the last 2 years, but we've got even more in the pipeline for the new year. More digital content, more digital resources. Obviously, that's the trajectory that we've been on with all the improvements we've made through our YouTube channel, through the website, but we've got even more planned for the new year, an expanded podcast array, more series of programming that can really serve that desire for you to consume more and more content through the digital channels. So that's going to be a big part of what we do in 2025. Our advocacy priorities are always top of mind, particularly when it comes to protecting the sales tax exemption for the laundromat business. We had a couple of threats that we're able to turn back in 2024, and we're going to be ever vigilant in the new year. We're also going to try to make some more headway when it comes to the growing number of states introducing microfiber filtration requirements that call for each and every washing machine sold in these states to have its own individual filter. We know that's not the best fit for our industry. It's nearly impossible to try to meet that standard. And so we're going to, again, rally our resources, work with the manufacturers and the store owners and the distributors to put our best case forward for pushing back on that microfiber filtration. For CLA, we're talking about events and networking. That's a big part of what we're up to in the new year. We'll have at least 1 or 2 of our CLA Connect Live events each and every month somewhere. These are our local dinner meetups where all of you like to sort of get around the table, talk shop, and break bread and enjoy each other's company and learn something and be inspired along the way. We are going to be doing an expanded run of our How to Start a Laundromat in-person training sessions with really a gear toward making sure that those of you that are interested in buying or building your first laundromat have the best authoritative, vetted, experienced training out there in the industry. And we'll be visiting Los Angeles in February. We'll be in Charlotte in March. We'll be back here in Chicago come April. And so there'll be a repetition of that program where folks can come visit and take advantage of the program when it's convenient for them, nearest to them. So beyond that, after a long 3-year wait, Clean 2025 is back in the mix. We'll have the Clean Show coming up August 23rd to the 26th in Orlando, and it's going to be a big one. I would not be surprised if we see 12,000 or more people showing up for the Clean Show. At CLA, we've got our educational programming, several hours of that. We have our booth where our whole team will be there to work with you and provide you with support. We've got plenty of social events to enjoy together. We even have a very unique new program we're going to do on the day before the Clean Show, which will be a laundromat tour as a group throughout Orlando. So a lot of cool things happening. So mark your calendar for Clean 2025. Wash, Dry, Fold. We'll be back at the end of October, back in Nashville for our 4th edition of the really only event of that scope that really focuses on all things wash, dry, fold, delivery, and commercial accounts. And so all new programming, great event of just building year after year. And so when you take this whole thing together, we're just going to keep moving forward as an industry in 2025. We're going to make sure that your membership is growing in value and that we're growing the organization. We're going to make sure that you can access more and more digital tools coming through the association. along with that content. We're going to keep an eye focused on all of our advocacy priorities and, of course, providing lots and lots of opportunities to convene and share and grow in the industry. So can't thank you enough for all the support you provided in 2024, and look forward to seeing you and working with you and adding value for you in 2025.